Azar Pixel recently hosted Nick Vujicic, a world-renowned speaker and motivator whose energy and positivity inspires millions. His visit was a powerful reminder of resilience and innovation. During the tour, Nick explored our LED repair and service process, from diagnosing module failures to intricate repairs on displays and AV equipment. His curiosity shone as he engaged with the team, asking insightful questions and observing the precision behind restoring LED panels, fixing power supplies, and optimizing performance. His passion for innovation mirrored our commitment to craftsmanship and excellence. Nick's story of overcoming challenges resonates deeply at Azar Pixel. We share that determination, ensuring every display and system we serve is restored to its fullest potential. Azar Pixel, where expertise meets innovation and every repair tells a story.